The close-up shot of that clear elbow.
Oh. So is this your favorite Saturday activity so far?
It's like sleeping in, coffee, mess with Blackwater. I do love how you go to the store and it's like people like doing this kind of stuff. They like shopping for this stuff and geeking out over parts like these. I'm just not there yet.
You're not there yet. I don't know if you'll ever get there. Okay, so we have the black tank emptied now into the portable black tank. We went ahead while we were here and flushed some extra water in there and cleaned out to make sure that tank was completely not backed up and cleaned out. So while it's that way and the water's off, I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, so we got our little flapper down here. There's a little bubble because I just cleaned it. So that is the bottom of the tank down there. So the problem happens when things build up there, and also there's a lot of nasty buildup on the sides, so I used my Clorox wand and washed that up a little bit as well to kind of help with any odor. So yeah. Okay, so it's getting a little warmer, and we've been trying our AC, which is working. However, it's been dripping a lot of condensation, so Ryan is on the roof looking for the tray to clean out, as you can hear. So we've got the panel off. It's kind of been dripping from these edges where the condensation is building up but has nowhere to go. It's dripping right on me.